Well, Lee, this is a wild car. This is an 84 Ferrari 400, right?
Correct. That's correct.
I don't know that I've ever even seen one of these. This is a pretty rare car, isn't it?
It's very rare. This is only about 200 to 300 in the United States total.
Wow. When did
Only
they
one
make them
Casper.
from?
From about 76 to 84.
And only a couple hundred came over.
Only a couple hundred.
Wow. And it's got to be the only one in Casper.
Only one in Casper.
Now, is it a steel body?
Steel body, handmade.
How do you get it serviced in Casper?
I do a lot of it myself.
Really? I
with
mean, that's
bit
a
of help.
complicated engine.
It's still just an engine.
Still just an engine.
No.
Well, that's the right way to look at it. And I guess that's true. But man, it's kind of an interesting color. I mean, Ferraris are red usually, or maybe they're yellow, but this is brown?
This is brown. It's actually called maroon, Ferrari maroon.
It's Ferrari maroon.
And but it's brown in American.
It's brown. So maroon is Italian for brown.
Correct. Yeah, that'd be right.
Well, it's really cool. You know, and it's got interesting lines for a Ferrari. It's different. But you get back here and it's clearly Ferrari. I mean, back here it's framed, two taillights on each side, the rearing stallion. I mean, that's clearly Ferrari. You know, it's got a gorgeous interior too. I mean, very Ferrari in that respect too. And this is completely stock, right?
Yeah, this is completely stock. This is a Grand Touring car, so it's comfortable to go around and drive on the road.
And it's an automatic?
Automatic. Ferrari 400 was the first body that Ferrari made with an automatic transmission.
Man, well, how does she perform? I mean, does it do well with an automatic?
It does well. It's a high RPM car. The power band is up in the RPM, so once you get up, it does really well.
Gets up and takes notice, huh?
Yes.
I like the 2+2 configuration. It's you know,
we can take a couple other people with us if we want. It's not a lot of room, but it is not bad.
Yeah, but it looks luxurious and really inviting, as all Ferraris do. It's more like you put them on than you get into them.
It's very comfortable.
Yeah. So what powers it? I mean, it's a Ferrari. Does it have a V12?
12-cylinder up front.
12-cylinder up front. Let's have a look at that.
Okay.
Well, that's Ferrari, all right. And it looks like a driven Ferrari.
Yes, it is driven. I enjoy the car. I think they're here to be driven, taken good care of, but have fun with and drive them.
Man, so how many miles a year do you put on? I mean,
I put about 3,000 miles a year.
And it's absolute blast?
Yes, it's fun.
Now, do people like say, what is this? I mean, because it's kind of an atypical Ferrari.
It's not a average car. People don't know what it is. They ask what it is, and they have a good time talking about it.
Yeah, I bet they do. And I imagine you don't really mind telling them about it, right?
No. It's my toy.
It's got great lines, man, and it's the only one here. Thanks so much for bringing it out.
You're welcome. Thank you for talking with me.
Way cool car.